So I'm really excited to show you guys. I wanted to do an official unboxing so you guys could get a really close-up view of everything Gurlz Club has going on. So I'll just be showing you all the products and our box, our packaging. So, and just a little bit of inspiration behind it. It's a 2000s and 90s nostalgia inspired makeup and accessories brand. So you know the box had to be inspired by a radio player, which I know all of us had a radio player with stickers on it. And the inside gives you a look into MySpace. Remember our top friends, the playlist. I know the hours I put into my MySpace profile. I'm pretty sure I put more time into that than school, honestly. And then this is just the packaging. This is, oh wait, I didn't even show you guys the inside. So in the inside, RIP LimeWire, top 5 lines of all time. A little story, you know, just more things to get you nostalgic. Now, a breakdown of our actual products. So as I said, everything is going to be sort of an experience. So our main product is the Gurlz Club playlist palette. It is inspired by a bunch of it girls and their music from the era. So each shade is going to be named after one of those songs that is actually available on our playlist palette. Let me show you. Spotify and Apple Music. So it's like a CD-ROM, but when you turn it around, you have access to our QR code. These will not be the only songs on the playlist. The playlist is actually about 40 songs long, and we're going to be adding to it. We have 15 shades, and it's going to be 12 matte and 3 shimmers. Here we have Foolish, Bootylicious, Crush on You, My Neck, My Back, Holla Back Girl, Bitty Bitty Bum Bum, I'm Real, Survivor, I have horrible eyesight, Cheetah Sisters, Dip It Low, No Scrub, The Boy Is Mine, Crazy in Love, Milkshake, Rock the Boat. So I will be showing you some swatches right over here. As you can see from the swatches, the breakdown, I wanted this palette to be for everybody. So you have your neutral colors and then you have your more colorful, just fun colors to play with. So if you take a look, the palette is actually on the inside, sort of like, you know, doodles. So it's like BFFs Forever, and I have my BFFs, I Heart, you know, your crush, Nelly Own, just your stereotypical doodles and pictures on the inside. My favorite part about this is, actually, I'll give you a bit of a background. I originally on the design had stickers on it. And I was like, why don't I make an experience and actually let you customize it yourself? I've been dying to actually customize my palette, but I really wanted to do it on video. So now I get the chance. So it's just a sticker sheet with a bunch of it girls. Here we have Tyra Banks, Selena, Christina Milian, Naomi Campbell, Rihanna, J-Lo, and Destiny's Child. I know for me, Destiny's Child, J-Lo, and Naomi have to be my top 3 right now on this sticker sheet. So, I'm going to take off Destiny's Child. Where are we going to put her? I'm thinking right here. So I'm just going to keep customizing my palette. I'm going to fast forward and show you guys the end result. So now I've actually customized my palette. Now it's looking, it's giving real 2000s with my 8 girls. I was going to choose only some of them, but I decided to put all of them because why not? So the palette is our main product. So we have 3 beauty sets that surround the palette inspired by your favorite it girls from the era. The first set is the Leah Set, inspired by Leah and her fashion style. It's going to come with the palette, the sticker sheet, and 2 options. You either get a white fur trim bucket hat or you get a black one. Then we have 2 different styles of sunglasses that you get to pick from with a wide variety of colors. A square frame. I really am loving this brown for the fall. And then we have the rectangle smaller frame in pink. I feel pink is very, very fitting. But they come in a variety of colors. These come in a nice olive green. Love it for the fall. It's like an olive brownish green. A black, this pink. And then these come in brown, blue, and orange. So cute. So that each set is going to retail $60. So you get a hat, sunglasses, and a palette with a sticker sheet for $60. The next set that we have going on here is going to be the Nunu set, inspired by Lauren London's character Nunu in ATL. Her nameplate jewelry, and honestly, beyond the movie, I know we all had nameplate jewelry. So here are our bamboo earrings, or our more, you know, for the calmer type of it girl, our hoop earrings. So bamboo and regular hoops with our lip glosses. So we have our lip gloss keychains. We have 6 shades. Here are the swatches so you can get a better look. And they come with the keychain that has the shade name in a super cute nostalgic squeeze tube lip gloss. This is in the shade Dime Piece. Next, we have our crazy, sexy, cool set inspired by the ladies of TLC. So, Chili's edges, need I say more? Here is our It Gurlz Club Edge Control and Edge Brush. And this works everywhere from my hair, which is like 3B, to a 4C hair. So, comes with a little brush. And our brow pencil. Not gonna lie, the brow pencil is one of my favorite things in our collection. It goes super perfectly with our palette. Remember the little chunky pencils we used to have with the little pom-poms? So this is the It Gurlz Brows Club pencil. It comes in 3 shades, 03, 04, and 05. And they are like this, sort of a skinny retractable pencil. I love skinny pencils because you can build it up for a bold brow, or you can keep it natural very easily. I know sometimes I could go overboard, so I really like the thin retractable ones so you can sort of create natural brow hairs. The last thing in our TLC set is this bandana print scrunchie. Super cute, sort of like Left Eye had like 5 billion hair accessories all the times, from the condoms to the scrunchies. So I decided not to include condoms instead. I thought a scrunchie would be a better option. So here we have Edge Control, Edge Brush, Brow Pencil, and Scrunchie for the Crazy Sexy Cool set. Nunu set has the nameplate earrings and the lip gloss with the palette and sticker sheet. And then the Leah set, bucket hat, and sunglasses. So it's all about an experience. And talking about experience, we're not done yet, guys. The box is a radio. The radio player obviously has a CD player. Boom. So in our little thank you cards, you're going to see our It Gurlz Club dolls here on our CD. Boom. You switch it and it's our It Gurlz Club playlist. Our playlist has over 40 songs on it, and obviously it's the ones from the palette, but let me actually show you how it works. Yeah, I know how QR codes work. So here is Apple Music and here's Spotify. I'm an Apple Music girl, so let's see. Open in music. Let's see. Boom. Y'all thought I was playing. All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your... Have to stop before they copyright the video, you know. You know how they do. But you get the gist. And these are our beauty sets. What we sell separately are 5 for $30 pigments. So you get the pigments at a discounted rate. And they come in these little 5-gram pigments named after different cute phrases from the 2000s, like talk to the hands, bomb diggity, later, you know, with the 8, how we used to type and stuff like that. Next, we have our nails. So we have our Why So Pressed nail sets. They're press-ons and they're sort of just dedicated for our girls on a go who really do not have time to sit in a nail shop for 2 hours or have a job where they don't really allow you to have nails. So we have different lengths from medium to long. Here's one of our plain sets. This is the baby boy set. And just a plain blue, but I love the shade of blue. Then we have something not too extra, but I guess depending on your definition of extra. These are matte. These are our matte neon pink Hello Kitty set. So it's something simple, but just with, you know, some Hello Kitty on it. And we have quite a variety of those press-on nails. Last but not least, we have our t-shirts, also available independently. This is our It Gurlz Club crop top tee. And our It Gurlz Club Buddha shirt. So here is an image so you can see it in an actual model. This is Sarah Lynn's and she looks amazing in our shirt. It Gurlz Club launched on September 15th and I'm just super excited to show the world what I have. It's something that is tying in all the elements that we love together from the shows, the music, the dolls, and it's an all-encompassing experience. When you go on a site, which right here, I'm just gonna show a little screen recording as you can see, it's giving MySpace meets My Scene. The box is just all about music, MySpace, and it's all about an experience, but more than that. It Gurlz is actually deeper than that. With 2020 being the year that it is and all us really wanting to escape, 2000s and 90s has sort of made a major comeback in fashion, just trends in general. But one thing that I noticed was a lot of that attention, while the styles to me seem very similar to styles that I grew up with in the urban community, a lot of the credit seems to be going to Paris Hilton or more figures that are considered the stereotypical it girls of the era. And that's why our thing is sort of, you don't have to be an it girl because you're it girl. My it girls are Aaliyah, Destiny's Child, Naomi Campbell, like those, J-Lo, those are the women that inspired my style. And when you really look at the timeline, Lil Kim, Aaliyah, all of them been doing it beforehand. And these are the real people we should be giving credit to. So it's all fun and it's all super colorful and great, but it's also about just acknowledging and giving credit to the ladies who really brought this all to life and is still clearly impacting our lives 20, 30 years later. So I'm super excited for you guys to see everything. Really, there's just so much more, honestly, but I don't want to make this video overkill. So the unboxing and just a little background will do. And I really hope you guys show out and support. I have a lot of things down the line and yeah.